As you know, we haven't posted in a while, but the reason is
Hey guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Garage Duration. Big thumbs up to all you new subscribers. Welcome back to all the old subscribers. We're back working on the LJ80.
As you know, we haven't posted in a while, but the reason is
it's not working.
and the reason is
Still not working.
and the reason is
No.
and the reason is we could have just done this, and the reason is is Okay, you saw the last place. It was rather cramped, rather messy. We couldn't really do the stuff we wanted to do, so we had to move on. And this is it. We have his own electric gate. All this down this side is going to be moved. This is all going to be our parking, but this is staying, but it's going to be all cleaned up a little bit. Right, first we'll take you into the smaller side that is actually bigger than what we originally had. We call this side pit lane. Got a pit in it. We have as much height as we want, and we've got the length of 3 cars. At the moment we've got one single ramp in here, but we're going to put one ramp here, drive through, and another ramp at the other end as well. This way. This is the main workshop area. As you can see, a lot of car space. Single ramp at the moment. We're going to be putting another ramp just in front of the toolbox, and hopefully the Suzuki is going to be moved here for the time being before we get the ramp in, so that we can start working on it and get it back on the road. There's the Suzuki. Right, we have a wheel balancer for the first time because we've got the space. We do have a paint shop of his own now. This paint shop, again, was nearly the same area as we was actually trying to do all our work in at the time, because we kind of got boxed in a little bit. This is, you can obviously see it's all a work in progress. We've just put this lintel in, just made it big enough for us to fit a car in here. The floor's going to be painted, the walls are going to be done. We're going to have a paint curtain on it. We've got a bit of temporary ducting up there for extraction. You'll see how bad the unit was when we moved in now. This room, we've done nothing to. Wow. This room is actually going to be, it's going to be shot blast, powder coat and oven baked, so we can now powder coat, or not now, eventually we'll be able to powder coat and shot blast any items we want. This way we've got a metal workshop. It's not very big. This is where we can now fabricate panels. We've got some more equipment coming on its way. This wall here, as of a few of the walls around here, are all rustic and we're not going to change them. We've cleaned them all off, but they're not going to get painted or anything. We like it. Obviously we've got his metalworking tools. We've got an English wheelers, metal benders, slicer and as plenisher. And again, you'll see how bad the place was when we have a look at what's going to be our office. Now this wall is going to be bricked up because it's not very safe. This is how bad the place was. As you can see, the floor, the ceiling, we've actually cleaned in here, but the ceiling is still absolutely minging. The floor is absolutely horrible. It needs all cleaning out, painting, a nice sofa and a TV put in here. So, that's the place as a whole. It'll just get better from here, and we can do as proper restorations at last. This is the other side of the pit lane. This is a Toyota why is it falling down here? What is it?
What?
Stag.
A Toyota Stag,
Toyota
Triumph.
Stag. Why is that coming?
It's
here?
a Triumph Stag.
Triumph Stag.
Oh my God.
Well, that's why it flew through me, because I thought Toyota. What's it?
Toyota Stag is inventing cars.
We've got a Toyota. This is a Triumph Stag V8 original Triumph engine as well. This is going to feature in one of our restorations as well. So we've got this to do. We've got the Datsuns, we've got the RX4s, we've got the S80 Hondas, absolutely everything. All will eventually be coming here and featuring in all of his restorations. As you can see, we've got a 180 SX Nissan as well. We're just doing a bit of clean-up work, although it's got a little bit dusty this one at the moment. Do you like our kitchen? That'll change. That'll change. It's all a work in progress at the moment. And we've also somewhere to valet cars as well. Because just here, when the ramp's not in use, we can do a valet area that's nowhere near the paint shop.
That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of our new place as much as we're going to enjoy working in it.
Catch us in our next video where we're going to be working on the LG80. There'll be one video every 2 weeks. Thank you very much for all the subscribers, the views, the comments, the likes, and we will catch you in the next one.